welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I'm working with Karlami. They sent me over this beautiful red curly wig. The lace is on melt, you guys. It looks so freaking beautiful. If you guys want to see me install this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this wig install. Hello. We're working with Karlami. Honestly, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but let's get into it. All right, so first you get a melting band, which is really nice. And the wig comes packaged like this. So it's a 13 by 4 99j, 26 inches. It's curly, y'all. This is the curly wig. Really cute. They've got some branding. Nice little tag. Close up on the lace. The lace is pre-plucked, which is really nice. Love that. So I don't have to pluck this baby. On the inside, you've got 3 combs. You've got adjustable straps here and a little extra lace that I'll be cutting off. But yes, looks really nice. The hair smells good too. My wigs have been smelling good lately. Like, they're not giving that regular wig smell at all. They're giving like been soaked in fragranced conditioner and smelling good for the girls. The ends look really nice and healthy. Yes, let's get to it, y'all. I think I'm gonna do a side part today too. I haven't done a wig this color in a real long time. So anyway, let's get into it. The hair feels really thick. I think it might be 180% density. But yes, thick, soft, and pretty. I love this hair color. I love it. It's pretty. It's giving like a berry. I don't know why. It's giving, yeah, it's giving a berry color. But okay, let's go ahead and install this wig. All right, you guys, I'm finished styling this beautiful curly wig. It turned out really, really nicely. The lace laid very, very good. Look how well that lace is melted. Love that. All right, and all I did was I just laid the wig using my Eben lace bond, put some baby hairs in it, a little foundation on the parting, foundation on the front lace, threw some baby hairs in there. Also sprayed my hair with some water and conditioner, and then blow dried it. Not even with the diffuser, just blow dried it with the blow dryer pretty much going straight down the whole time. And it turned out so good. It's so freaking full, you guys. The hair is so full. Yes, it is not lacking hair anywhere. Make sure you guys check out Karlami or Karlami. Anyway, make sure you check them out. I will have the information in the description box below. The hair is just so soft and feels so good. Oh my gosh, I love how big and full this wig is. I really do. Yeah, so make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information, and you can check out their other wigs they have. But isn't it gorgeous? Isn't this color beautiful? Isn't this color just beautiful? It's just absolutely stunning. I love it. Yes. All right, thank you everybody for coming to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.